What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. We are on a wonderful weekend ride. It's well sunny. It's supposed to be raining this weekend, but it's really sunny. It's one of the perfect days. It's not too hot, quite hot, but not too bad. I'm gonna go for a long ride, I think. I'm gonna head down into the land of Cornwall, see what's going on down there, I think, possibly. Might stop in at BMW on the way down, have a gander at some of the nice bikes. But yeah, generally it's just a nice longer riding day, because I haven't really done a long, that's nice. Oh, it's a car boot sale, fucking car boot, look at that. Whoa. Love a car boot sale. Yeah, so it's going to be hopefully a longer day of riding, got some time to kill, a day just to enjoy riding my bike before it gets too wet and shitty. So it's a lovely day, it's quite warm now. I'm looking forward to a bit of a longer ride. It's been a hot minute since I've actually been out for longer than, like, you know, an hour or so. Oh, and the turning as well, ideal. Absolutely winning. I can almost smell the BMWs. I'm a BMW fanboy, if you weren't aware. There she blows. Look at all these bikes. God damn it. Plop it in. My god, there's some nice bikes in there. What? Nice M3, fucking hell. M2. Shit. Some nice cars there. And nice bikes, nicer bikes I'd say actually. M1000 in there. Not the green one though, I've still yet to see a green one. Like close, I've seen one in a window before. How do I get out of here? Right. Oh, a H2. I think, or a Ninja GSX. Is it GSX? I can't fucking remember. I'm still fucking sweating, but it's so nice. Had a good wander around the BMW. It was good. See, there was a Ducati V4S, I believe, in there, which was fucking well nice. Got a couple of videos for TikTok of that one and YouTube Shorts. Check them out if you haven't already. Probably be up before the video. And then what else was there? There's some crazy stuff. M1000. It was like 30k. Like 40 miles of it. Barely used, brand new, pretty much. So much money, but so nice. Maybe they weren't 40k, maybe it was 28k, I don't know. But it was considerably cheaper. It's considerably cheaper than buying like a car of similar performance, obviously, because an M1000's mad. They're like, what, 210 horsepower super machines. I'd like one of those and the GS, please. Thank you. BMW, get involved. All of my 70 subscribers, massive exposure. I feel like you should give me a bite for a little bit, you know. Well done. Thank you, please. Over the bridge. Look at that view. Damn. Yeah, it's a good day for it today. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a hot minute since I've been on the channel, like a couple of days, you know. My shorts have been doing really badly. Been getting like 10 views per video, so I've not really been posting very many. It's a bit weird. YouTube seems to be against me at the moment. But we are officially in Cornwall. Oh, you hear that? Damn it, I'd love to gun it through here. It sounds mental. It's one of my favourite roads in Cornwall, I think, in the UK, I might even dare say. It's just the trees and the road, it's such a nice surface, and oh, if there's no traffic, this would be the best point like on a motorbike. Honestly, I'd love to do that. If this road was shut, like fully hoon it on a motorbike. Oh. Just before it gets really wet and shit, I think. I'm just kind of making the most of the dry weather. Oh, this road. Be nice. When it gets a little bit further down, there's some massive trees and it makes it feel like you're in Canada or something. I want to go to Canada. Canada would be sick. Bought a new carpet from Trago Mills, lovely. Bloke on a Ninja something, looks like a H2 with the middle headlight, little round middle headlight. Oh my god, this is one of my favourite bits. I think it looks lush here. Look at that. Stunner. I love this road. Even doing 30 mile an hour doesn't ruin it. This is worth it. Yeah. That's what it's all about. Oh, it's such a reset riding a motorbike. It clears your head and makes you feel better. And I think for me as well, riding a motorbike and talking to camera makes me really, I really enjoy it. It makes me relax. It's just something that I really love doing. You're doing 50 now? Yay, finally. A lot has happened in this last few months. Changed my career, job, whatever. Might be moving house really soon. We got engaged with my fiance now. Crazy. Yeah, it's been a busy month, or a couple of months really. It's all been in the works for a little while, but it's just all sort of come together in this last month where it's all starting to kick off and go together. That used to be a right little shithole. Chill out for a bit, and then probably cruise up the coast and make my way back. Something like that, nice big round trip. I don't know how many miles I'll be doing today. A couple of hundred, I'd imagine. It's been a nice ride. My fucking Velcros have come unstuck, you cunt. I fucking hate it when Velcros fuck up. It really winds me up. It's like, make some decent fucking, put a zip on it, bro. You know? Or like, I don't know, an adjustable fucking band of some sort, like the elastic with the slidey jobs that you can tighten it, like on a bag or whatever, like a plastic latch. But the sea? Can I see the sea? No. My right knee hurts a hell of a lot, and my right ankle actually. I've actually been looking a lot at a different company for bikes that I like. They're called CF Moto. They make like they're like a cheap Chinese tourer. They make like cheap Chinese tourers. They do like a 600, I think it's a 680cc and a 900 maybe. And I want the 900. The 900 is beautiful, but for what it is, it's got like nice TFT dash, fucking all the like fancy fucking shit. It looks like a GS. It actually looks like a Harley Davidson. What are they called? The fancy Tourers that they've just come out with. Can't remember what they're called, top of my head. The Harley Tourer. They look a lot like that in terms of front end and headlight, which is quite a nice look, to be honest. The other thing is the price tag. They're so cheap for what they are. They're like less than 10 grand brand new. I know that's a lot of money, but if you were to if you're looking into getting a brand new Tourer with the similar spec as a GS, like the gold rims, the multi-spoke alloy, multi-spoke wheels, TFT display, all the like heated grips and rider modes and shit, it's got all of that, and it seems to be. It looks really nice. I don't know if it's like as good as it, you know, I don't know what the performance is like, I don't know what they're like long term, but something I'm seriously considering is maybe even the 650, just because I feel like I want a Tourer. I do more miles, but then if I get a Tourer, I'm going to want a Tourer with a higher capacity engine, just because they won't rev the same as this sort of thing, will they? They're not going to rev. They're going to be torquey, I guess, but they're not going to rev like an inline 4 600cc, because these scream. This goes up to 15,000 RPM redline, which is, you know, too much for anyone. I think 1000cc would probably be a good idea for me in terms of Tourers, because, you know, you got top end, they've got decent MPG at like high RPM, like on the motorways. So I want to put more motorway miles in. I want to go and explore some of the UK. I want to see some stuff. I want to go and see Wales. I want to go and I want to get up to the Lake District. I also want to go into Europe, and I don't want to take the girlfriend or the missus, the fiance, I should say, my bad. We want to go to Belgium and do like a long weekend in Belgium and travel around on the bike. I just feel bad making her do it on this, because it's not very comfortable for her or me, really. I mean, I've done up to Bristol and that wasn't very pleasant. I've done further than Bristol, only a bit. It was like a 3-hour ride. If we went to Dover, you're looking at 6 hours or more. I'm going to apologise for the length of this video already, because I can tell it's going to be a long one. But we're here. Can't believe it, to be honest. Haven't been here in a long time. Look at that view. Damn. God, I want to go in.